According to Unicorn, a Washington-based esports bookmaker, Dogecoin has a 17% chance of reaching the $5 mark by the end of this year, 2021. This is due in part to the current popularity surrounding the meme-based cryptocurrency, especially on the media and social networks like Reddit and Twitter. In May, the coin had surged by over 13,000% to over 73 cents with a market cap of almost $80 billion. Although the price of Doge has since fallen, many price analysts are optimistic that Dogecoin will rise this year and might soon hit $5. While the prediction by Unicorn might seem a little bit too bullish, there is a good chance that Dogecoin will be going over $5 in the next few years. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Logically, there is a very slim chance that Doge will reach $5 this year. At the moment, investors in the Dogecoin community are simply trying to push the coin to the $1 mark before the end of the year, driving its market cap to more than $130 billion in the process. Nobody can tell for sure when Dogecoin will reach $5. It could be the next 3, 5, or even 10 years. The several predictions on Dogecoin vary widely, and a few being hopeful that the coin might hit $5 sooner than we think. However, some analysts, basing their analysis on the inflationary nature of Dogecoin and a potential decrease in support from the crypto community in the future, think that Doge will not be trading anywhere near $5 anytime soon. At the moment, the meme coin is increasing in popularity, and there is a good chance that the price will greatly increase in the next few years. Carol Alexander, a professor of finance at the University of Sussex, believes that the current popularity of Dogecoin is a result of its potential for massive returns. Carol believes that few other coins are as valuable as Doge at the moment, and this kind of popularity is important in driving the price of the coin to the $5 mark. The chances of the price of Dogecoin reaching $5 in the next few years will be greatly increased if it manages to cross the $1 hurdle. Top analysts at FX Street believe that Dogecoin might be up for a huge upswing that could potentially take it to $1 by the end of the year. The site reports that if the FOMO in the market becomes stronger, it will help the coin overcome its current resistances and rally to the psychologically important $1 mark by December of this year. If this happens, Doge will have a better shot at $5 in the next 3 to 5 years. Coinpedia, a cryptocurrency encyclopedia that offers news which is related to cryptocurrency, believes that the meme coin could reach $5 in 2022 if it manages to attract sufficient support from influencer marketers and top financial institutions. Coinpedia is positive that if this support is massive and consistent, Doge could even settle at $8 before the end of 2022. Jesse Cohen, a senior analyst at investing.com, is even more positive that with growing social media interest and celebrity endorsements, Doge might break into the $5 mark by late 2021 or early 2022. Jesse's betting on the mounting support from high-profile business figures like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban to drive the joke cryptocurrency to $1 and possibly $5. He also believes that this kind of support will add legitimacy to the coin and boost investor confidence, encouraging new investors to put their money into the coin. However, some financial analysts do not believe that Dogecoin will reach $5 anytime soon. Digital Coin Price, for example, predicts that Doge will not go near the $5 until 2028. A few others are sure that this will not happen until 2030 at least. If Dogecoin gets to reach $5 soon, a couple of things will happen. First of all, more people and institutions will have more confidence in Dogecoin, and the coin will be widely used for online transactions such as buying goods from merchants. The coin will also become highly valuable, depending on when it reaches $5. If Doge hits $5 in 2025, when there are 150 billion coins in circulation, then Dogecoin's market cap will rise to about 750 billion. Also, more people will invest, especially since the current investors will be reaping huge profits. Lastly, the coin might become more serious, quit being a joke, and maybe even come up with a white paper. This plan already seems to be in motion, as Elon Musk recently announced that he'll be proposing some massive upgrades to the Dogecoin network that would enable it to compete with the likes of Bitcoin. However, as we said, for Dogecoin to reach $5, it has to first pass the $1 hurdle. Will Dogecoin reach $1 in 2021? Lately, there's been a lot of speculation about whether or not Dogecoin will reach $1 by the end of this year. With its growing popularity and increasing support, Doge has a good chance of hitting this target, although it won't be as easy as most people think. For Dogecoin to reach $1 by the end of the year, it means that the current value will need almost a 500% increase within the next 4 or 5 months. Knowing the history of the price movements on Dogecoin, we can safely say that anything is possible in the crypto world, although that is still a huge task to accomplish. Dogecoin has already surprised us with huge growths. The coin has grown by over 4,000% since the beginning of the year, so the idea of a 500% increase in 4 to 5 months is not entirely ridiculous. Experts believe that the growing positive sentiment around the cryptocurrency industry as a whole will significantly help drive Dogecoin's price to $1 by the end of the year. Still, there's a good chance of the price consolidating or even dropping, so it pays to keep your expectations in check. If Dogecoin ends the year with a bullish run, then 2022 might start as a bullish year at around 99 cents. Alternatively, if the year is bearish, then 2022 might resume a similar trend at 21 cents. The fact that Dogecoin is easy to mine has always kept the altcoin on the front seat. Moreover, this year, the most popular crypto exchanges like Gemini, Robinhood, and eToro have listed Doge, causing the price to shoot higher. If the currency gets listed in other familiar exchanges in the coming year, the Doge price can soar again and strike $2.38 before the end of 2022. However, considering the regular buying and selling pressures, the average Dogecoin price is predicted to be near $1.63. On the other hand, the fact that the digital currency does not still have a great value and use case drives a negative impact on Doge. Many people see the coin as mere speculation, and if this belief remains unchanged, then the price can slump to 47 cents. Over time, Doge has been used to tip people on social media, depending on the kind of content they provide on a variety of subjects. And it's also been involved in great social causes. For instance, Dogecoin was used to raise funds for a bobsled team from Jamaica for a total of $50,000 for the 2014 Winter Olympics. Aside from this, Dogecoin has been used to sponsor athletes, and Shiva Kashivan is an example of an athlete who's benefited from the fundraising efforts of the joke currency. On March 25, 2014, Doge sponsored NASCAR driver Josh Wise through a fundraising effort that generated $55,000. Being involved in numerous humanitarian causes brings mileage to the meme-inspired currency. Although some people might think of it as a joke, such projects draw traders and investors to the asset and make positive decisions on adding the digital currency to their portfolio. People who invested in Dogecoin when it started in the early days will tell you that it's a good investment, as it embarks on another price uptrend that could potentially take it to $1 by the end of the year. For example, if the coin were to reach $1 by the end of 2021, people who invested $1,000 at the beginning of this year will be looking at almost a $185,000 turnover. If it miraculously reaches $5, that's nearly $1 million profit within a year with a $1,000 investment. However, there's no sure guarantee that the price will rise, so although there is a generally positive outlook, you still need to do some research and be sure that investing in Doge is good for your investment portfolio. Remember that this is one of the most volatile digital assets with crazy price swings, and as a result, the price could move in any direction and without warning. If you're not sure what to look out for, feel free to work with a financial expert. There is a good chance of Dogecoin reaching $5 in the next few years. However, the predictions vary, with some experts believing that the $5 milestone might be achieved as soon as 2022, while others say it won't happen until at least 2030. Either way, Dogecoin is set to definitely reach $5 sometime in the future. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson.